Howdy y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee. And today I thought we could just hang out, do something fun. Not a layout, but I might actually use some of this stuff in a layout. It looks like a bit of a mess, and this is like a disease. But I like to save canceled postage off of my Happy Mail. It comes on swaps, all that stuff. So, do any of you guys do that? Like, because I've tried to stop, but I can't. But, like, I see all these super cool stamps. I mean, look, these are like Charlie Brown. Like, I love it. And, you know, here's Scooby-Doo. And I'm like, surely I can make something with these. And I've been collecting them for a while, probably a year, maybe a little bit longer. And I just didn't want to throw them away. I went through and I sorted them. This one's like the celebration. These are Christmas. These are Christmas stamps. So super cute. I might make some Christmas cards with these. But I've been trying to think of ways. This one's people and different things. So, but like, yeah, like super, super cool. And I can't just like throw them in the trash, like, not when I can make something from them, right? This one's like animals, bugs, love. All of these are different love stamps. So that would make some cute Valentines. Here's stuff from my Canadian friends that mail me cards every month. I've saved those. These are just random ones. Like this one's a Halloween. Got boots, got a school bus, got a fair, coffee. So, all kinds of cool stamps. I've never been really a stamp collector. I really like, I don't know, collecting these that are canceled. These are like Mexican themed. So that will be fun on some of my pages. Got space. Got scenic stuff. This is like waterfalls and places. And then you have, you know, all the flag ones, fireworks. These kind of made me think, you know, American top, so I did those. And then I have lots of flowers, and y'all know flowers is my thing. Flowers is my jam. Love, love, love them. Have all kinds of canceled. So, I say all of that to say, if you don't already collect these, you probably don't want to start. Because it's a disease. It really is, like you can't stop. But I took and made some really cute stuff out of stamps. Let's see if I'm in frame. Okay. The bloom is stamps. And I just added extra flowers to it to create a title for a page. And then my favorite ones that I've done so far is this. Now, and then I did these also. But this, I cut out on my Cricut. I wrote what I wanted it to say. And then I cut out some stars out of some scraps. I used all scraps for this. And then I just, took a piece of paper and just randomly cut out and glued on there. So now I have a title, and I could even make this a 2-page layout because I could put one on one page and one on the other, and then do 4th of July, you know, military, whatever. But I absolutely love this, and I used up a bunch of the different flag stamps and things like that. This is the only one I had of these, but I thought it was pretty cool. So yeah, and then I just did these little film strips. I literally just took a blank film strip from my stash and just glued the stamps to the back, and then I just glued them onto a piece of paper. So, with that being said, I am going to do one with you guys, and I think I will do the flowers so that it can match. You know, now with this one, all I did was I went on my Cricut, which you could do this with alphabet stickers if you had some fat ones. You could cut out your own and trace your letters, but pretty much I just cut out the word and then I cut out the shadow, and then I went through, I glued it on, and then I took scissors and fussy cut around the edges to cut off the excess. And then I just added this stuff, and I figure I could make a garden layout. Y'all probably see this stuff coming back, and I will use it on a page like I like to do with my embellishment stuff that I make. Okay, so I'm going to use the flower ones. I did go through and sort these, and I've done messed them all up. But I sorted out like realistic looking flowers, like these are like real pictures of flowers versus these that are like a cartoon drawing. So I kind of sorted them, and that's what we're going to work with. We're going to do the cartoon one so that it matches this that's on here, so that I could use it on the same page. Now, with that being said, you could take and completely glue them in a circle. You could just glue them onto a scrap paper and then run it through a die cut machine and use like a circle or a scallop and cut that out, and then you would have your embellishment. Lots of ways you could do this, you know, cut them out in different stuff. Like for Christmas, you could take and cut it out in the shape of something. If you have a Christmas die, you know, a bell or whatever. And it would probably help if you actually cut one out first and use it as your template, and then you could just go from there. So, that's what I did with that. So, let's see if I can find a different color one. Okay, I'm going to tear these apart. These are so awesome, y'all. I waited forever to actually use them, though. Like, I kept waiting and waiting, and I was like, I don't know. What could I do? What could I do? And I actually saw, I got inspiration from another group that I'm on. I don't remember what it was because I saved the idea, like, probably 6 months ago, so I don't even know who created it. But they did one for 4th of July, but I did mine different, of course, because I always gotta put my own spin on stuff. But, you know, I looked on YouTube to see if I could find any ideas for using up canceled postage. Now, you can find a bazillion gazillion videos of how to make your own faux postage. Fake postage, pretty much. You know, using stamps and things like that, and that's perfectly okay too. But I wanted a way to actually use up all these stamps that I already have, and so this kind of fits the bill. Oh, I'm out of the cartoon-like flowers. Let's see. My pile got all mixed up, but I think I don't have any more. Oh, well, here's this one that could kind of count. Oh, here's a yellow one. Okay, good. Let's see. That one is a little bit different, so I think I'm going to end up just going back and using the first one I started with and this yellow one. Even this part I want to keep. Is that horrible? Like, you could totally do a travel layout and like just put all the little postmark things all over your page, and then you could create a title and then put some of the stamps on it and put like I've been everywhere or something like that, to document, you know, a travel or whatever. So I think that would be fun. Lots of ideas, just finding time to implement it and actually do it is a whole nother story. So, but yeah, I would love to see what y'all create if y'all decide to do this. Like I said, I've been following the idea for a while now, but I hadn't actually sat down to do it. But now's the time. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I've kind of want to get back around to doing my embellishment videos versus the layout, you know, showing a layout, which for September, I'm going to be participating in Scrap Timber, and there's a prompt every day to play along. I'm sorry about these gnats, like, it's been horrible, and 1,000,000 degrees here. But look how cute. And I totally lost my train of thought. Oh, I'm going to be doing Scrap Timber for all the month of September, and I'll probably be combining some of them with like Through the Rainbow and all the other things that I do. So September is going to be busy, and my plans are like in October that I'm going to probably start doing Halloween, and then in November I'll probably focus on fall. Because it's still like blazing hot outside here. Like, I am not in the mood for fall. I mean, I'm ready for fall, but like, to feel it, it ain't happening. So, let's see. I got a little extras bin with extra flowers and stuff in it. Let's see what I can find to... This has got like little goodies that people sent me and stuff too, and my little leftovers from projects. Stuff like that. I have multiple bins like that. I don't have any more of these ones, I don't think. I think I've used all the ones I had stamped out. I have been wearing it out since I got that die. Now I need to do a bunch more because I've used them up. But you could totally, you know, go in and add some more flowers to this so that you could use it along with this on a layout. You know, you could totally put a picture, you know, you could put your picture here and add on. And I don't know where all my greenery and stuff went, but I don't have any, but we'll pretend that that matches. But, you know, I mean, and you can just add on, add the little gems, all that stuff so that it all matches. And then, you know, you could add 2 pictures there, or even 3 if you put some smaller ones in. And voila, you have a layout creating used up postage embellishments. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please leave me a comment below if you did. Tag me on Facebook if you try it, if y'all are postage hoarders like me. And please like and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I would love to have you come and hang out with me. This is my favorite, and I cannot wait to use it on page. Like, just cannot even wait. Look how cute, y'all. And on these, I kept them a little bit bigger on some of them just so that you could see the canceled out part of it. Like, so, and I didn't make it where it was perfect. It was random. So, until next time, bye, y'all.